How to fix Messenger send failed. So if you're not being able to send messages on your Messenger application, then first of all you have to make sure that your app is up to date. So to check that, you have to open up your Play Store, and then on the search bar you have to search for Messenger. And after searching here, instead of this open option, if you have an update option, you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your Messenger application. So that might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you have to open up your settings, your phone settings, and then you can go to apps and notifications, and under that you can simply tap on see all apps. And if you scroll down here, you have to search for Messenger, and after opening your Messenger you can simply tap on storage and cache, and then you can go and simply tap on clear cache. And after that, this might fix your problem. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Messenger application. And after opening your Messenger, now you can go to the upper left corner, which has the 3-barred icon, and then you can go to settings, which is on the upper right corner, and scroll down, and here you will have report technical problem option. You can simply tap on report, and then again tap on report problem, and don't include. And after that, here you can briefly explain what happened. You can simply write that I'm not being able to send messages to someone, and I think my messenger has been restricted or blocked. Like that, you have to write or describe about your problem, and after describing, you can simply add some screenshots from your camera roll. And after that, you can simply choose chats, which says what's the problem related to, and under that you can simply tap on chats, and then after writing the description you can simply tap on send, which is on the upper right corner, and after sending, Messenger will take action. After that, Messenger will send you a mail to your Gmail account, and after that it might help you with some steps. So that's it. This is the only way to fix your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.